How to not get tagged and stop random tags on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent people from tagging you in unwanted posts. In order to do this, you'll need to adjust a setting. So first, go ahead, open your Facebook application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down, go to Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. Now from Settings, you need to scroll all the way down and go to the section of Audience and Visibility. Once you're here, tap on Profile and Tagging that you will find below the followers and public content. You need to scroll down and first go to the review section and toggle both the switches over here that is indicating review tags that friends add to your post before the tags appear on your Facebook. Then scroll to the top and go to tagging and implied mentions. Go to who can see the post that you're tagged in your profile. If you do not want anybody to see that, go ahead, tap on only me, then tap on save. Likewise, go to another option and then set it to only me and then tap on save. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.